This free tutorial will show you how to compound audio clips in Capcut PC free video editor online completely for free. If you like what you see, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more.
If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Alright, so the first step to compound audio clips fast in Capcut PC is to add or drag both audio clips or audio clips that you would like to compound. Now in this case, I'd like to compound both of these clips, but I have them at the beginning of the video clip or the timeline, like so. And then as we can see, it will transition to a next video, and then it'll transition to a next video clip. Now let's say I want the same exact sound effect right here, and even right here. Well, that's completely possible because I'm going to show you for free how to do that in Capcut PC. Basically, it is a quick and it's an awesome feature. Instead of holding and clicking your audio and holding down Alt to drag, we want to compound it instead with the audio effect right here, or the sound effect. Basically, what you're going to do is click on the audio piece and your other audio piece, but notice when I click, it declicks, and that's not what we want. So we want to click on one, hold down Control on your keyboard, and click on your second audio piece, and then basically you're going to right click and you want to click this option which is below range and above sync video and audio, and it says create compound clip or Alt G, and as you can see it compounded the clip. And basically now if you want, you can hold down Alt and drag it onto the next clip, so we have this. And same thing over here. And that's how you compound audio in Capcut PC completely for free. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.